The tech world is at a crossroads. AI isn't just another wave of innovation, it's redefining what work looks like. Across the industry, one phrase keeps echoing: AI layoffs. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta, thousands of roles gone. But this isn't the death of technology, it's the great realignment. When Amazon announced 30,000 corporate job cuts, CEO Andy Jassy was clear: AI will reduce our total corporate workforce as we get efficiency gains from using it extensively across the company. For many, that felt like an ending. But for others, it was a wake-up call.
Let's be honest. For years, data engineers have built the foundations of modern business: pipelines, platforms, dashboards. But now, AI is building the same foundations, faster. So what happens next? The answer isn't resistance, it's reinvention. You're not becoming obsolete, you're becoming essential in a new way. Some call AI-generated code vibe coding, a gimmick, a toy. But when leaders can build functional prototypes in minutes, that's not a threat, that's progress. And here's the irony: AI still needs expert judgment to make sure its output actually works.
The smartest approach isn't man or machine, it's man with machine. AI for speed, human intelligence for purpose. This is where a new kind of professional is emerging: the knowledge engineer, not just a coder, not just a data wrangler, but someone who understands the why behind the work, someone who can translate data into outcomes and technology into value. Because the future belongs to those who speak both languages, business and data. McKinsey predicts 30% of work hours could be automated by 2030. Gartner expects 80% of data tasks to be automated by 2026. Those who cling to legacy mindsets will fall behind, but those who evolve, who learn to collaborate with AI, will define the next generation of success.
You can't wait for business to adapt to you. You need to understand them, their pressures, their goals, their outcomes. That's how you stay relevant. That's how you lead. This isn't about job loss. It's about job evolution.
That's why we built Lattice, a platform where AI, data mesh, and zero code meet. It empowers business teams to build and govern their own data products, and frees engineers to innovate, not maintain. This is where the business finally meets the technology, where the future becomes real. So yes, there's still a role for you, but not the one you had yesterday. Become a data catalyst, become a knowledge engineer. Blend your technical skill with deep business insight, and you'll not only survive this change, you'll lead it. Adapt early, learn fast, lead the future, because the choice is simple: speed up or be left behind. Join us in a data conversation. datatiles.com